Hello, my name is Happeh. I was involved in a discussion with some people on the internet about the martial arts. The position of these people is that the martial arts is a physical practice, for fighting only. I disagree. My position is that the martial arts apply to all areas of life, from fighting to philosophy to everyday tasks. A specific point of conflict arose when I claimed that ideas about the martial arts could be picked up from any area of society. Specifically, I claim that ideas that apply to the martial arts could be found in a cartoon that was created by Japanese people. It is my position that these Japanese people included their knowledge of martial arts into the cartoon. Therefore, various ideas in the cartoon can be used as clues about martial arts in the real world. The other people in the discussion felt it was ridiculous that ideas about martial arts in the real world could be found in a children's cartoon. That situation provided the urge for me to create this AVI. I thought a visual example might help to demonstrate what I mean. This AVI will show how using a simple object like a graphite pencil can be used for stimulating thought-provoking ideas about the martial arts. Let's start the actual AVI. Here we have a graphite pencil laying on a flat surface. Our purpose is to take a simple everyday object like a pencil and connect it to some idea, any idea related to the martial arts. We want to prove my claim that everyday life is martial arts. Martial arts are not just for fighting. We could take the pencil and spin it on the flat surface. We could take the pencil and bend it. We could bring the pencil up to our mouth and chew on it. None of these activities present an obvious connection to the martial arts. Let's engage our imagination and pull ideas out of thin air in an attempt to connect this pencil to some kind of martial arts idea. This is our imagination. We can do anything we want to try and find the connection between a graphite pencil and the martial arts. Let's choose to take a razor and cut the pencil around the outside. We are going to do this on 8 separate points on the pencil. You will see only one cut made. Now that the pencil is cut, we are going to peel the outer layer off of the pencil in one continuous piece. We will peel the pencil at each of the 4 sections outlined by the pairs of razor cuts. To simplify the demonstration, instead of looking at the very thin layer of the pencil, I have used large, easy-to-see rectangles with bright colors to represent the 4 separate strips we are peeling off of the pencil. The lowest peeling is red, next is blue, then green, and finally a light blue color. We are going to switch to a larger, more easily visible pencil and pencil peelings. The peeled pencil layers now look like the outer layer of a pencil instead of the bright colors in the first example. They are also thinner in an attempt to make them appear more realistic. With the layers stacked directly on top of each other, it is hard to tell there are 4 of them. Let's bend them a little so we can see each one. The lowest one first, then the next highest, then the 3rd layer, then the 4th layer. Remember, this is our imagination, so we can do anything we please. Let's fill in the gap between the pencil body and the tips of the peelings with a black color. Then we will change the entire pencil to a black color. You know what? I have seen a shape like this one before. Let's add a white dot to the center of the pencil like so. This object looks very familiar to me. What if we place a copy of the object with the colors inverted so that black is white, white is black, opposite the original object? Does the shape you are looking at look familiar? Does this picture help? By playing with the pencil and using our imagination, we have constructed a figure that looks like the Yin Yang symbol. The Yin Yang symbol is associated with the martial arts as well as various Asian philosophies. In my opinion, this exercise verifies my claim that a connection to martial arts can be found in the simple objects and actions of everyday life. A person might ask, what does this really prove? You peeled the pencil, changed its color, made a copy of the pencil, and placed it so the entire construction looks like a yin-yang sign. So what? What does that mean? As there is still some doubt, let's play with the pencil some more to see what we can come up with. First, we will remove the pencil copy. We are looking at the original pencil after we have changed the color to black and added the white dot. Does that shape make you think of anything besides half of a yin yang symbol? Have you seen that shape anywhere in your life before? Make a fist with your hand. Extend the index finger. Hold the index finger up against the computer monitor next to the pencil. Align the knuckle of the finger on the pencil body. Align the index finger along the length of the pencil peelings. The shapes match up, don't they? Your index finger looks like the pencil with the extended pencil peelings. Let's modify the pencil some more. Let's rotate the pencil and see what it looks like. Have you seen a shape like that anywhere in your life before? Does it remind you of this at all? We started out with a pencil. We played around until we made the pencil look like a yin-yang sign. That demonstrated my contention that martial art ideas can be learned from anywhere, not just physical martial arts practice. After making the yin-yang sign out of 2 of the modified pencils, we noted how half of the yin-yang sign resembled a finger. We then saw how the modified pencil also resembled a human hand. The yin-yang sign is associated with martial arts. We played around with a yin-yang sign made from pencils until we saw a human finger and hand. Is that a coincidence, or is the shape of the yin-yang sign meant to be a clue to the nature of the human body?